Hello my friend, here is a demo kit for the plug type power saver. I will show you the saving effort for this LED lamps. Now we turn on the lamp. You can see the amperes and the wattage numbers on the meters. The amperes almost 0.7. Now we use this product. This is a small one, just like what we sent to you, the product plug type product. Now we plug it beside the. Now you can see the amperes is reduced to 0.5. Now we plug out it and use this clamp type power meter to measure the amperes in this circuit. Now without the saver we can measure the amperes. You can see the amperes is 0.65 amperes. Now we connect the saver. Wait a moment. Okay. Test again. The amperes reduced to 0.4. So you can see the same effort for the amperes. You can show this video to your customer, or you can do it by yourself. If there are any other questions, please contact with us.